Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use aux in Infiniti G37. Start by powering on the car and plugging a 3.5 cable into your phone and the AUX port. Select AUX on the audio system and play a test track to confirm connection. If audio is low, increase car and phone volume slowly. Keep cables tidy to avoid interference and prevent the port from loosening over time. In this video, I will show how to use aux in Infiniti G37. If playback is choppy, restart your device and reinsert the cable firmly into the port. Swap cables to isolate the issue and test another audio source like a different phone or MP3 player. Check the car's fader and balance settings so front speakers receive signal. For persistent problems, inspect the port for debris or visit a technician for a quick diagnostic. In this video, I will show how to use aux in Infiniti G37. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on long drives with the Oala water bottle. It seals well and fits most cup holders, making it a handy travel buddy for road testing audio setups. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if you found this helpful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use aux in Infiniti G37. If your model lacks a functioning AUX, consider a Bluetooth receiver that plugs into the AUX port for wireless streaming. An FM transmitter can broadcast audio to the car radio when direct input is unavailable. For modern phones without jacks, use a certified adapter and keep volume moderate to avoid distortion. These options keep your drive enjoyable and simple to manage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.